Guys, I received this very beautiful package from Faber Castell, which I'm very excited about. So let's unbox it. This little card is the cutest, and so is this easel stand, sturdy and strong. Next up, we have is a set of sheets, which are apparently watercolor sheets with calendar printed on them. I mean, so amazing. I'm gonna paint all of them, and and by the look of it, these brushes look amazing. Next up we have is a set of 12 watercolors, which also comes up with a staircase palette. The palette is very versatile and amazing. They also sent me these two sets of 24 watercolors each. These sets also come with an accordion manual which tells you everything about these beautiful watercolors, and also the staircase palette and a size 6 brush, which is actually very nice as it looks. And thank you so much Faber Castell for sending me these products. I really can't wait to review them.